welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to get straight to the point. I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken, leek and potato casserole, a very easy dish. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and let's get started on the ingredients. A leek, garlic clove, grated Parmesan. Well, here I have Parmesan and Edam. You can use any cheese you like. Chicken, onion, potato, white wine, cream, sweet paprika, Rigani, olive oil, salt and black pepper. Start off by putting a pot of water on the stove and peel and clean your potato and slice them thinly. Once the water has boiled, you can add in the potato slices and boil these for about 10 minutes. While the potato is boiling, I cleaned and sliced up the chicken. I prefer doing them in strips. And then I just chop it up randomly. Add the olive oil to the pan. And place your chicken in. Give it a stir. Add in the Rigani and the 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. Give that a mix. Please put this on low heat. So while the chicken and the potatoes are cooking, I have peeled and cleaned the onion and the leeks. And chop these up. Now add the crushed garlic to your chicken. Give it a mix. Now add in the leeks and the onion that you have chopped up. Give that a mix. And add in your salt and ground black pepper. And the white wine. Give that a mix as well and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now once the potatoes have boiled, layer half of the potatoes in your dish. Add in some cream and then put on top the chicken. Now layer on top the rest of the potatoes. Sorry, I changed utensils here as the tongs were irritating me. So layer the rest of the potatoes on top and make sure you cover all the gaps. And now on top of that, add the rest of the cream and put your cheese. Place it in the oven on fan at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. Once it's done, here it is. So that's my chicken leek and potato casserole dish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy making this meal. Be creative, you can add anything you want. It's your meal, it's up to you. Everyone has different tastes. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.